If you are new here, I'm Smack the Messenger. If you have been around, what's up, cousin? Today is Chill Vibes, last day of the month. And honestly, I just wanted to talk to y'all. Just wanted to chill and see what's been up. Lately, I have been taking my time since I came back from my NYC vlog. If you have not checked that out, go to my page and check that out. I literally don't have that much content up here, so it's easy to find. But me and wifey, just to catch you up, me and wifey just came back from NYC last weekend. It was fun. We got a chance to chill. The kids had babysitters. They were with their grandparents. They had fun. And now this week, I just kind of took it slow. It was the end of the month. It wasn't a lot of work to do, and I'm proud of that. We going into the weekend. It's the last day of the month. I decided the last 2 days of the month I was going to take off to myself and just kind of get ready for the week. This weekend I'll probably be working on like my poster boards or my bulletin boards for next month on what needs to get done, things that I have to do as far as scheduling, promos I have to run, and that's just really it. These 2 days are going to be like mental health type of days. With everything going on with this Nolan Wells case, it's a lot. And I know moving forward this month, it's going to be a lot. And I'm just preparing myself for it. Honestly, I've really just been focusing on taking my time and doing things well instead of fast. I feel like sometimes when I feel like I master something, I start to do it in a routine type of fashion where it's fast and it's not always the best I could do it, whether it comes to filming content or regular day-to-day stuff, spending time with my son, really giving him that time. A lot of times as parents, we kind of rush through things and get things done because we want to get back to whatever it is we're focused on. I'm really taking my time to focus on the things that matter to me and learning more to put stuff in God's hands. I have recently realized that I have not been putting things in God's hands. I've been saying it, but really letting God work, I haven't been doing that. I've been asking God for things, taking it into my own hands, having safety measures just in case something falls through. I really have to leap out on faith. And I don't know where I lost that at along the way because this whole entire journey was built off of faith. But more recently, I've been going with what I know works and not the vision that I've had this entire time with letting God do his big one. And that's something that I got to focus on. And I'm okay with that. I'm okay with realizing that my biggest critic is myself. And it's like that by design. That's kind of like a superpower. You can lie to a bunch of people. I can lie to y'all, but I can't lie to myself. So right now it's just like really a run to the other side of town, going to get me and wifey lunch from this place that I like a lot. If you are from Newark, New Jersey, or Essex County in general, you need to try out TRX. It used to be called Four Seasons. That's one of my favorite health food spots. It's really good food there. And I want one of their salads. Their salad is really good. I get the crispy chicken, egg, and cranberries honey mustard dressing. I know it sounds a lot, but it's good. Okay. Their smoothies are really good too. That's probably my favorite thing from them, but I'm not doing a smoothie today. I'm watching my calorie count and I have to get back on track. The restaurant week thing up in New York threw me off. It threw me off. And now I want all the bad foods. I've been doing bad stuff. I've been eating white macadamia nut cookies all week. My weight been creeping up a little bit. It's only a pound or two, but that matters when you focusing on that. So we working. So this week, going into the beginning of the month, I know it's the end of the week, but follow me. Going into the next week, we are focusing on healthier options, no sweets. Me and wifey love a good snack, and that's not what we focusing on. So I'm gonna get me some fruit. I'm gonna get me a salad from this place, and I'm gonna just get some dope vibes. Probably go to the park, take y'all with me, vent a little bit. This is gonna be like my daily diary, I think, and I think that's real dope because a lot of people have said like on TikTok and stuff that they miss me going live. This is where you'll find that type of content where I'm just venting and yapping and stuff like that. So come with me today.
I've been trying to listen while you motivate me. Cause all the other times, babe, you drive me crazy. You know I wanna see it in that new Mercedes. You know I wanna hear it when you say you made it. I can't even lie, babe, you're one on one. I can't even lie, look how far you come. That was making fun.
I think that there is so much art in my neighborhood, and I think that we take it for granted because a lot of us look at it as, you know, rundown buildings. Like, for instance, the McElroys, like I just was filming. Bro, it's just, for some reason, I've always been intrigued with this building because it looked like it used to be so beautiful, and there's so much history in the walls, even with it being abandoned. Like, and then the graffiti on top of it adds to the feeling of giving up, even though at one time it was probably like considered the top of the world in Newark. Like, I think it's so beautiful, bro. Like, just to sit here and look at it and look at all of like the graffiti and the life, the trees, no matter how bad it looks, the trees still find a way to have life on top of it. It's just so dope.
That's how you give me this motivation. I've been trying to do more than just maintain. You know all this pressure that this pain makes, and I've been trying to get you on the same page. You know we doing better on the same thing. You call me and you say you need it right now. Yeah, babe, I'm on the way, so just pipe down. I don't wanna hear you fuss. I don't wanna hear you fuss. New G-Wag, new Maybach. I need things, I need action, I need time, I need love, I need patience, I need trust. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby. Just tell me what you need, baby.
Alright, so I figured I'd show y'all my salad. It's crispy chicken, egg, cranberry, like a spring garden salad with tomatoes and stuff like that. Croutons. Looks good. Want some? Have some. And then my detox tea. I live by these. I take like 2 of these each weekend. They're not harsh on your body. This is only 50 calories, so I take 2 of these. That'll be 100 calories by the time the day is over. And it's gonna be good, man. I love these. I think altogether this meal is, which I'm not gonna eat this whole salad. This whole salad is like, I think almost 800 calories. But I'll probably save a little bit of this for later, if not tomorrow. My wife is supposed to be making a spaghetti squash later, so next month, I promise y'all, I am going to be doing more content. I promise I am definitely going to be doing more content. Oh my God, it's starting to look so good already. I just put it. I'm going to be doing more content for y'all, more vlogs, and just, you know, being a better content creator for the gang. Amen. Being a better content creator for y'all, for real. For real, for real. We got to get from out of the sweater. Shirley here at all times, matter of fact. Never underestimate that. So yeah, today was beautiful, man. I actually got to go chill in the park a little bit. I had to kind of rush. I know I didn't get as good B-roll as I should have in TRX, but it was just because it was so many people. I was like, I don't want people to feel like I'm filming. I tried to sneak some stuff in, but yeah. If y'all got any topics that y'all want me to talk about on here, let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Not only drop it in the comment section, but if y'all want to, y'all can DM me on my socials at Smack the Messenger on all platforms. And yeah, that is basically the end of it. I just wanted to check in with y'all and let y'all know it's gonna be more to come this month. I know I'm getting a lot of good feedback from my last vlog. Remember, y'all go check it out. If you have not, please subscribe. I would love to have you join the family. Thank y'all so much for chilling with me. It was such a pleasure. I'm about to dog this salad. Say my grace first, of course. Y'all have a blessed one, and remember, if don't nobody love you, I do. Thank y'all so much. Make sure you subscribe. I'm just the messenger.